moving. It's like I got this music in my mind saying it's gonna be alright. Great music, but I need to step away for a moment. I'll leave the headphones right here. Can't stop, won't stop moving. And let's continue. How? Why? No! How did this happen? Who? It happened again.
Your earphones still live their own life?
Yes, I only leave them for a minute and they turn into this crazy knot.
It looks like you simply need to tame them.
Tame them?
Yeah, you know, like they tame snakes.
No, I'd better find another way to listen to music. Be my guest. Tame them all you want.
Oh, thanks. You're too kind. By the way, guys, what are your favorite songs? Write in the comments, please. Sam will sing the most popular ones. Hey guys, have you ever tried to tame earphones? Well, I know 2 ways to do it.
2 ways? Meh, I don't believe it. They are untamable.
We'll see about that. For the first holder, I'll need a card like this, a hole punch, and a stationery knife.
This doesn't make much sense to me. You aren't going to make holes in the earphones, are you?
Oh, of course not. I'll take the card and make 3 holes in it, here and there and at the bottom. 1, 2,
let's see.
and 3. Oh, Sammy! Scared me and ran off. Oh, I'll make a cut here and there. And Sam's up to something again. Just 1 more cut. I'll take the earphones and secure them. Just like this. And done!
Big eyes! A snake turned into a big-eyed creature!
Do you like it?
I'm not sure. I need to test it first. But do continue, make the other one, and I have things to do.
Things? All right then. I'll get everything ready for the second holder. Sam?
Oopsie, sorry. Me too. Bring it! Uh-oh, the trumpet's on the floor. Geronimo! Come to Papa, and off we go. Enjoying music requires a lot of work. Get over there, you! And you go here. Why are you late again? Stand straight, will you? Yes, looks like everything's ready. Ahem! And the 1, 2, 3. Stand still! Do some rehearsing here without me, and I'll be back soon.
I've conducted an experiment. The earphones didn't get tangled in the holder and feel great in there. So now I'll start on the second holder.
Looks boring. We need to paint the pegs.
I thought you had things to do.
Not if there's a task for the great painter, Sam. I'll dip the brush professionally. There. Just like that. I'll paint them this cheerful color really well. Only the brightest things for me.
Good thing I placed a piece of paper under the peg to protect the table.
Ugh, it was an artistic impulse.
That I can see. We'll leave the pegs to dry now.
Listen, come with me. I'll show you something.
All right.
Dear Susie, let me present to you, for the first time ever, the incredible Slime Band!
Incredible indeed.
Come on, don't let me down. And 1, 2, get out.
Your band sure is something else, but perhaps you should listen to music as usual?
Perhaps, especially if the earphone problem is solved.
Oh, it will be. I promise. So, while I was, listening to the performance of the incredible band, the pegs dried, and now I only need to glue them together. Just like this.
Oh my feta! Sue!
What?
Here! Cool.
Alright, I'm pulling. Oh, how did this happen?
I wanted to have Ducky listen to some music and it got tangled.
So I see. We'll have to untangle them now.
You do the untangling and I'll go have a bite. All of these worries made me hungry. Hey!
You're not going anywhere. You're helping me untangle the earphones.
Oh, life's so unfair. Here are your earphones.
My earphones? Well, thank you. I have a holder ready for them. There, I'll wrap them around it like this. And done. I'll keep them then.
Oh no! Sue, wait! It just... Oh, slip my tongue. Give the earphones back, hey? And could you please give Sue a thumbs up so she'd return the earphones to me, okay? Susie!
So we've sorted the earphones matter. We'll use them in turn.
I like this holder more.
And I like this one. Guys, which one do you like more? Write in the comments.
Ugh, why didn't I think of it earlier? There's the percussions. Aha! And there's the trumpet. No, hurry back! Hurry! Listen, Sue, I've been thinking.
Yes?
My band didn't have much success because it didn't have you in it.
Oh, you really think so, Sammy?
Of course! Let's hold an audition for you.
What?
You're in! Now we're up for great things. Go write lyrics for a song.
What lyrics?
Amazing lyrics! And I'll continue rehearsing with the band. And guys, please subscribe to the channel and hit that bell button. Looks like we're up for great musical adventures.